So now let's see how we can utilize the interpret footage option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So over here you can see that I have a video on my timeline, and you can see that the walking speed of this video is quite slow. Let me just go around and then delete this off right here. And this is the video, as you can see right here, the video source. So if I were to play this, then you can see that the source video itself is slow right here. But what you can do is you can go around and change its speed and certain properties even before you import it onto the timeline. And for that, you can utilize interpret footage option. For that, you need to go around and select out the footage right here on the project assets section, and then go around onto file right here and then click on interpret footage. Once you do that, over here you can see that you can utilize the frame rate right here from file, which is 25 frames per second, or assume the frame rate over here as 50 frames per second as well. So you can go around and choose that out. You can go around and change around the aspect ratio of the pixel as well to, let's say for example, wide right here, and ignore the alpha channel or invert the alpha channel right here. So you can change around all of these properties right here if the video is not behaving the way it should. Let me just press OK right here, and what happens is that you can see that the aspect ratio changed out as well, just like this, which is not correct, but you can see that it did get applied. And if I were to play this now, you can see that that is what you have. So now it is in a normal speed, as you can see right here, just like this, and that is how it is working. You can go around further on to interpret footage right here. Select this and then go to interpret footage, and then use the square aspect ratio itself as well. And now if I were to bring it onto the timeline, then the speed is corrected. As you can see right here, it's a normal speed, and this is this turns out to be 50 frames per second right here. So that is how you can work around with interpret footage option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.